Hi, I'm Megan with WTI. If you're looking for a cool pair of kicks to wear while playing basketball with your friends, I would definitely try checking these Beita men's basketball shoes. They are definitely breathable. He does not feel like he has sweaty feet when he's playing basketball in them. He feels like there's a good enough grip on the court, which is important when you're playing basketball to prevent injuries. I find these are true to size. My son wears a size 7 men's, which is what these are. Actually, my son has a wide foot and these still fit him comfortably, which is a great bonus because sometimes that's hard for us to find a proper fitting shoe for him because of his wide feet. They're really well made, stiff enough to give you the protection you need while you're on the court. So again, if you want a pair of basketball sneakers, these ones definitely fit the bill. Or if you just want a cool pair in general to wear, there are multiple colors to choose from, multiple sizes, so you're definitely going to find exactly what you want. And that's my point of view.